Hello and welcome to this video on Big Data Biology and its scope. Big Data Biology is the application of vast and intricate data sets to biology with the aim of comprehending and resolving biological issues. It utilizes methods for analyzing and interpreting vast volumes of data and has the power to fundamentally alter our understanding of biological processes. The discipline of genomics is one of the key areas where big data biology is being used. High throughput sequencing technologies have made it possible to produce enormous amounts of genetic data in a short amount of time. This information can be utilized to research the genetic components of many different diseases and to create alternative therapeutics. Drug development is a field where big data biology is having a significant impact. Researchers can reveal patterns and correlations by analyzing vast volumes of data from clinical trials that might not have been evident with smaller data sets. This can even increase the success rates of clinical studies and assist find novel therapeutic targets. Big data biology is also employed in the study of species interactions and the effects of environmental change in the areas of ecology and evolutionary biology. Big data biology has a broad variety of applications in the life sciences and a broad research field. It has the ability to fundamentally alter how we actually see the biological processes and can generate important developments in a variety of fields. Here are 10 examples of how big data biology is being applied in various fields. First is genomics. In order to detect genetic risk factors for diseases like cancer and to develop personalized medicine methods, genomic data is being analyzed using big data techniques. The success rates of drug development can be increased by identifying patterns in clinical trial data using big data analysis. Second is drug development. The success rates of drug development can be increased by identifying patterns in clinical trial data using big data analysis. Third is agricultural biotechnology. Big data approaches are being utilized to increase crop yields and decrease the impact of agriculture on the environment. Fourth is environmental biology. Big data analysis is being used to understand how ecosystems are affected by environmental change and to design conservation measures. Fifth is evolutionary biology. Big data methods are being employed to research the relationships between various organisms and the evolution of species. Sixth is neuroscience. To investigate the brain and comprehend the root causes of neurological disorders, big data analysis is being applied in this field also. Seventh is cancer research. New cancer treatments are being developed and genetic and environmental risk factors are being identified using big data approaches. Eighth is metagenomics. The impact of microorganisms on health that dwell in and on the human body is being investigated using big data analysis. Ninth comes systems biology. Big data techniques are being used to study the complex interactions between different biological systems and to understand how they function. And the last is synthetic biology. Big data analysis is being used to design and engineer new biological systems and to optimize existing ones. Here are 10 career scope and job titles in the big data biology industry. First is data scientist. Large amounts of data can be analyzed and evaluated using machine learning and statistical methods by data scientists. Second, Bioinformatics Analyst. Bioinformatics Analyst, they examine biological data such as genomic data using computational tools and methodologies. Third, Biostatistician. Biostatisticians employ statistical methods to examine data from clinical trials and epidemiological studies in the life sciences. Fourth, research scientist. Big data approaches are used by research scientists to carry out studies in a range of areas, including environmental biology, drug development, and genomics. Fifth is data engineer. The infrastructure and processes required to store, process, and analyze massive volumes of data are being built and maintained by data engineers. Sixth, clinical data manager. The collection, management, and analysis of data from clinical trials are the responsibilities of clinical data managers. Seventh is biomedical informatics specialist. Specialists in biomedical informatics, they analyze and interpret data for the healthcare sector using computational methods and tools. Eighth is computational biologist. Computational tools and methods are used by computational biologists to research biological systems and processes. Ninth is biotechnology research and development manager. Managers of R&D in the biotechnology sector are in charge of conducting research and developing new products and technologies. Last is biomedical data analyst. Biomedical data analysts evaluate and analyze data in the healthcare sector using statistical and computational methods. That is it for today, and thank you for watching this video on big data biology and its scope. I hope you found it informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.